Thank you for purchasing a King Kooker outdoor cooking product. The following video illustrates the proper assembly procedures of your new King Kooker product. It is not a substitute of your product's instruction manual, which should be read, understood, and followed before assembling and using your King Kooker product. Outdoor cooker assembly for model number 1200 and 1204. Required tools: screwdriver, adjustable wrench, leak testing solution. Check all required cooker parts are included. Cooker stand, cast burner, LP hose and regulator, thermometer. Model number 1204 also includes a 4-gallon cast iron pot. Cooker assembly: insert bolts through holes in bottom ring and align with holes in leg. Now insert legs to the inside of the shroud with the bolts, nuts, and washers. Make sure to leave a hole empty between legs to allow for foot extensions. Bolt foot extensions to outside of bottom ring using the bolts, nuts, and lock washers. Fasten the flat bar cast burner support bracket into the inside of the shroud with the supplied nuts, bolts, and lock washers. Reference page 10 for casting assembly. Remove top nut from casting bolt. Place the casting bolt through the hole in the flat bar support bracket. Place the heat plate on the casting bolt and reinstall the nut onto the casting bolt. Tighten. Check to see if casting is pointing straight up and is sturdy. Hand tighten hose into venturi. Tighten with a wrench an additional 1 to 1.5 turns. If a torque wrench is being used, tighten up to a torque of 95 to 105 pounds. Always perform a leak test before lighting on both the tank and burner connections. Before lighting the cooker, follow pages 14 through 16 in your instruction manual. Watch our safety and use video. Always read and understand the entire instruction manual before using your outdoor cooker. Thank you for your business and for using King Kooker outdoor cooking products. Check out our other fine King Kooker products at www.kingkooker.com.